how the single track path is just casting a ribbon through the hillside. Stunning day, stunning day. Birds flying off over there. Beautiful. What a beautiful day. So we're on some single track now, and the bicycle is still doing far better than any motorised form of transport would do. Absolutely beautiful day. Look at that, not even slipping or sliding. I don't even have that knobbly tyres on as well. Brilliant. You know, it's just so easy, isn't it, to think, do you know what, I'm not going to bother coming out today, especially, you know, if you've got a busy day. But I suppose I'm lucky because I've got this on my doorstep, so I just just throw on any old clothes, jump on a bicycle, and I'm out. And I've just got this loop that I do every so often, and just revitalizes you. I absolutely love it. And just get to see such beautiful colours, light, and I'm so glad that I made the effort just to come out, you know, when, like say, when you've only got an hour or so, you just think, oh, is it worth it? And trust me, it definitely is worth it, because I am just taking this all in and absolutely loving it. Absolutely loving it. I've come out on my bicycle on the road, off-road, hasn't slipped or give me any cause for concern at all. But if I'd have been in a car, I'd been slipping and sliding like Bambi on ice. So another reason why the automobile's been a backwards invention. No point to it at all. Absolutely glorious. Look at those textures in those clouds. Amazing. Amazing Calderdale. Studley Pike over there. Studley Pike. Now, I think I've mentioned it in another video as well before, But what can be more intuitive than the twist shifter? Don't get me wrong, I'm an experienced cyclist and I have multiple different shifter types. I've used them in the past. SRAM, Shimano, Campag, obviously my friction shifters. But what could be more intuitive than a grip shifter? That you just twist one way to go easier, one way to go harder. So all these people that say, oh, don't like twist shifters, harder to use, whatever, they're just speaking absolute rubbish. If you find a twist shifter difficult to understand, then there's something wrong there, isn't there, really? A bit tricky because underneath the snow are some solid ice, and where tractors have come up there's quite deep grooves, and if you catch an edge of them your wheel can just come from beneath you. Been lucky so far this ride though. Could you do this in a car? I don't think you could. I'm quite sure a derailleur system would be struggling with that all caught around your jockey wheels. I don't think you'd be shifting too sweet then. So all that nasty road salt that you would worry about with a derailleur system, you'd have to oil the chain afterwards. What I'm going to do with this is just rinse it off and forget about it. Back like new, because it's the oil that catches everything and contaminates your paintwork. So I'm just 2-minute rinse down. It's back looking brand new. Put it away, forget about it.